In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check FaceTime voicemail. Many people are familiar with FaceTime for video calls, but did you know that it has a voicemail feature too? Whether you're new to this functionality or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through the entire process in a clear and easy to follow manner. First things first, let's start by opening the FaceTime app on your device. This is the main hub where all your FaceTime activity occurs, including calls and voicemails. Once the app is open, take a moment to look at the main screen. What you're looking for are missed calls, as this is where any video voicemails would be indicated. You will see your list of contacts and recent calls right here on this screen. Now, when a missed FaceTime call comes with a video voicemail, you'll notice a special label that says video message right underneath the contact's name. This label is key because it lets you know that there's a video waiting to be watched. Scanning for this label will help you quickly identify calls that come with a video message attached, saving you time and making the process efficient. Once you've spotted the video message label, the next step is simple. All you need to do is tap on the video message itself. This tapping action will take you to a new screen where you can access further options related to the voicemail. After you're on this new screen, you'll want to tap the missed call to open and watch the video voicemail. What this does is loads up the message so that it's ready for you to view. It's all quite straightforward. By simply interacting with the call, you're preparing the video for playback. Finally, to complete the process, tap the play video message button. This part is intuitive. After all, watching the video is the culmination of why you're going through these steps. As the message plays, you can see what was left for you directly from your contact. It's engaging and personal, which is what makes FaceTime voicemail such a great feature for staying connected. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated FaceTime's video voicemail feature. This convenient function ensures you never miss a message, even when you can't answer a call live. This step-by-step guide aimed to demystify the process, making it accessible whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore this tool to make your communication more effective and personal. Stay tuned for more guides like this, and I hope to see you again soon.